Welcome to XQ. In this demo, we will be showing you how to set up and install the G Suite add-on. To get started, go to xqmsg.com, navigate to Products, followed by selecting the G Suite option in the drop-down. Click the Install button in the main banner image. This will navigate you to the G Suite Marketplace where you can install the XQ Secure Mail add-on. Press the Continue button and log into the G Suite email you'd like to install the XQ Secure Mail add-on. Click Allow to give XQ permissions to work in Gmail. XQ will display a couple of onboarding videos to help you get started. Once complete, the XQ encryption icon will appear on the right side of your screen in your Gmail account. In order to finalize the setup of your XQ G Suite installation, click on the vertical ellipsis, go on to Settings, log in, and send a confirmation email. You will then receive a confirmation email which you can open and confirm your account. You are now ready to send and receive encrypted emails using XQ.